Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the exact Google account to remove and backing up anything you need. Once done, export Drive, Photos, Contacts, and Gmail via Google Takeout so nothing is lost. Make sure to check subscriptions and linked devices because removing an account can revoke access immediately. Next, sign into the account on a secure browser. This keeps the session active for deletion. If you can't sign in, you'll need to recover the account first before continuing to deletion steps. You now proceed to Settings. Open Google Account, choose Data and Privacy, then find Delete your Google account. Re-enter your password and complete any two-step verification prompts. This prevents accidental or unauthorized deletions. Carefully read the displayed list of services and what will be lost, then download any remaining files if needed. Once you confirm and accept the consequences, select Delete Account. Google will process the removal and sign the account out of devices it manages, so expect immediate access loss. After deletion, verify the account is gone by attempting sign-in and checking that services no longer accept the credentials. If something went wrong or you deleted by mistake, use Google Account Recovery immediately. Time is limited, and recovery isn't guaranteed. Make sure to update other services and subscriptions that use that Google account. If linked purchases or refunds are affected, contact relevant support teams and provide proof of ownership. One tip: keep local backups and printed confirmation before deletion to avoid
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.